Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be discussing about how can we use if function in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet I have created a table over here. As you can see, I have provided the student's name and the marks obtained by the each students, and I have to match this criteria. As you can see, there is fail if below 60 marks, and I have to use if functions to get the required output. So what I'll do is I'll just type equal to if, press tab. As you can see the formula here, if logical test, I have to provide the logical test over here, and if the value is true then the output will be this, if false then the output will be this. So what I'll do is I'll just type equal to here C5, then greater than 60. If the value is greater than 60, I'll in double quote I'll write pass, and I provide the comma, and in double quote if fail, if the value is false, then fail, fail, then press enter. As you can see here, the marks obtained by the student is 50 and it is below 60 marks, so it is showing me fail. If I drag till bottom, so you can see my output is correct here, as here there is 65 marks obtained and it is showing pass, here 59, so it is showing fail. So this is how the way we can use a function in an Excel workbook. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.